What's up, guys? I'm kind of stuck in traffic, so I'm just gonna go ahead and film this now. It may not be the best audio in the world since I'm in my car. It's very echoey and you can probably hear my air conditioner going, but if my air conditioner's not on, the camera will overheat. So anyways, I'll make this quick. So as you know, we are all contacting our state senators trying to convince them not to approve this DJI ban that's going through Congress right now. It just got passed in the House, now it's on its way to the Senate. So of course, I've been reaching out to my senators. The first time I did so, I actually did so through the Drone Advocacy Alliance website, which I'll leave a link down in the description. Same as the video I did yesterday where I did as well. But I finally heard back today. I did it 3 months ago. I submitted an email to him 3 months ago. Got a reply back today from, if you didn't know, I'm located in Illinois. So Richard Durban is one of my senators. Got an email from his office, and it didn't really accomplish much. As you will find out, I'll read it to you, and also I'll put it on the screen here later whenever I get home, and I can screenshot it and put it up there. But I'll go ahead and read it to you since, as you can see, I'm not really moving very fast, even though I'm on the interstate. Some traffic coming up here, but until I get to the end of it, we'll go ahead and knock this video out real quick. So, it says, "Dear Mr. Drone Dad," it says my name, but whatever. It's not like I'm hiding it. You can find that in the channel if you want. "Thank you for contacting me about trade. I appreciate hearing from you." I mean, technically, drones are a business, so it's technically a trade, being a drone pilot, so okay. So let's see what it has to say about drones. It says, "Illinois is the 5th largest exporting state in the nation. In 2022, more than 800,000 Illinois jobs were supported by exports. In 2021, Illinois' largest export partners, Canada and Mexico, received more than $35 billion of Illinois products." If you don't know about Illinois, Illinois products means corn. We're like the 2nd largest state in corn production. So, except for Chicago, the entire state is corn. So, they mean corn. We're giving corn to Canada and Mexico. So, but yeah, it goes on and on and on about our exports and blah, 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 blah. And our success in exporting its products depends on fair trade agreements, blah, 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 blah. Says nothing about drones. Never says the word drones in the entire email. And it's a very short email. So, and then at the end it says, "I will be sure to keep your views in mind should any bills related to trade come before the Senate for consideration. Thank you again for contacting me. Please feel free to keep in touch." So, I said this in my video last night. I'll say it again in case you didn't see that one. Emailing is not always going to be enough depending on how your senator handles things. Your best bet is to call. You're going to sit on hold for a while. You're probably not going to get through to the actual senator, but just as a general rule, most of their offices prioritize calls over emails. So, if you have the time, if you're bored one day, feel like sitting on hold for a long time, go ahead and call your state senator's office on top of the emails. We want them to have, even if they don't read them, we want them to be able to come to Congress and say, "I have 100,000 emails and 20,000 phone calls from people telling me not to approve this bill about drones." So if you do that, we can't say we didn't try. As you can see, I didn't get anywhere with my state senator. I will be calling. I'm probably on the road a lot tomorrow, so maybe I'll call while I'm there. But yeah, don't stop the fight. This isn't over yet. It seems bleak, but it's not over yet. We still have a long way to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Traffic's starting to pick up right now, so I'm going to get off here in the name of safety. As you can see, both hands on the wheel. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.